Actually, I wanted to take some, too.
Yeah, let's get you some, actually.
It's on that tea shelf, baby, the arnica.
You like your hand, don't you? He is 8 pounds and 3 ounces. How's that in your...
He's smaller than the other ones.
He's smaller than the other
Smaller than the other boys.
So go ahead and just like...
one?
You know, one's all you need. Just pop it like into the little hollow of his cheek if you can get it back there. Otherwise,
Okay.
that'll be good for you. That'll be good for you. Aww. You look like your big sister to me.
Like Isabella?
Mm-hmm.
His head is more like hers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I saw that little mouth opening thing. What was that? 13 and a half. Stretch. Can we hold it? Yeah, hold it right there. 20 inches.
Hey, little tears. Where do you know tears were earlier?
Probably you're supposed to have your birth videotaped, but...
No, actually, we weren't going to tape.
No, okay.
No.
Oh, you know how to do that.
Well, what's going on?
Yes, you do. He goes, wow, I haven't had anything that yummy. He does have dimples. He's got some nice lips. His palate felt intact. There's nothing unusual in your belly. Let me feel your clavicles, little guy.
He's ticklish when he's making those faces.
Oh, he's just so perfect.
Yeah, Chubby's like that already.
No.
Leo was really chubby when he was
I'm sorry. Oh, I know. Let's get him another dry hat. Look at your spine. Okay, oh. Creases are even. Spine is straight. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Sweet.
I think it's a blanket. Our little boy. you go.